Hello guys, welcome back to another video of SenseCore Academy. This video is majorly for two things. First, how to read, understand and remember the concepts of business studies of class 12. Secondly, I'll be discussing about how to complete the syllabus and revisions in just 15 days before the exams by reading just 2 hours. So let's get started. Whenever you are studying management, then always assume yourself as a manager, always imagine yourself as a manager. So you yourself become a manager. This will help you in easy understanding and also remembering the concepts. For example, consider meaning of management. Now you are a manager. What is your work? Your work is to make employees work so that the goals of the organizations are achieved in time period and available resources. Now put it in a sentence. So management is the process of getting work done by employees in a required time and available resources. For what purpose they are doing the work? To achieve the company goals. Correct? If you are imagining yourself as a manager, then it is very easy to understand. Very important topic and most requested topic by students, that is how to complete syllabus before 15 days of exam. I have made a 15 days strategy which includes study of concepts, revision and also question paper solvation. In day 1, you have to start with the first chapter, that is nature and significance of management. On that particular first day, you are supposed to cover meaning and definitions, features, objectives, importance, levels of management and functions of management. All these concepts should be covered in first day. Coming to second day, the same chapter will be continued, that is on nature of management and also on the concept of coordination. Along with this, you should also start with chapter 2, that is meaning of principles of management, features and Taylor's scientific principles of management. There are 4 principles in this. So you are supposed to cover these topics in second day. Day 3, you have to complete the Fayol principles of management. There are 14 principles in this. So next, the chapter 3rd, that is business environment. Here you have to cover the meaning, features and also dimensions of business environment. Coming to day 4, the same chapter will be continued, that is new economic policy, demonetization and impact of government policy changes on business and industry. Coming to day 5, that is you're supposed to complete the full chapter of planning, meaning and definition, importance, limitations, planning process and types of plan. In day 6, you have to cover the whole chapter of organizing, that is meaning and definition of organizing. Second one, importance of organizing. Third, organizing process. Fourth, organizing structure. Fifth one, formal and informal organization. Sixth, distinction between formal and informal organization. 7, delegation. 8, decentralization. And the last concept is centralization. So in 6th day, you have to complete the whole chapter of organizing. Coming to day 7, that is the staffing chapter. You have to complete one particular chapter in 7th day, that is meaning and definition of staffing, importance of staffing, staffing process, then again recruitment, selection, training and development, and the last concept is methods of training. 8th day, starting with the chapter directing. So here you have to complete meaning and definition, importance of directing, elements of directing, that is supervision, motivation, leadership and qualities of successful leader. So coming to day 9, so the same chapter will be continued, that is on the concept of concept of communication. So here formal and informal communication, barriers to effective communication. Then the last concept is how to overcome the barriers of communication. And also you have to start with chapter 8, that is controlling. Here meaning and definition, importance of controlling process, and also techniques of managerial control should be finished. So coming to day 10, the last chapter, that is financial management, should be completed. That is meaning of financial management, definitions, roles or importance of financial management, objectives of financial management, financial decision or decision making in financial management, financial planning, meaning and importance. Then last one will be fixed and working capital, that is meaning and factors affecting their requirements. So in one day, you will be completing the whole chapter of financial management. So starting with the revisions, so that is from day 11. In day 11, you have to complete the revision of 1 to 5 chapters, and day 12, you have to complete the revision of 6th to 10th chapter. So from day 13, you have to start with the question papers. So question paper 2020 question paper. On day 14, again 2019 annual question paper, 2019 midterm question paper, and on day 15th, that is 2018 question paper and 2017 question paper. So one day is equal to 2 question papers, right? So all these question papers will be available on my Facebook page, and the link I'll be giving in the description. Thanks for watching.